Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to change language on Sims Mobile. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure to launch open the Sims Mobile application from your app drawer. After you're inside the main homepage, tap on the little slider icon on the right hand corner in white. Now tap on the gear button from the menu. From the settings option, scroll down and tap on the language option. By default, your language will be set to English. Tap English and then choose another language of your choice that you'd like to change to. Now tap on Let's Go in order to change the language to something else of your preference. The game will now restart in a different language of your preference. You can always get back to the same settings interface and choose the language back again and set it to something else. That is how you can easily change your language on Sims Mobile in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.